All right, here we go, fellas. At this morning, some of the guys are saying resolder the signal wire to the flight controller, and that's basically what I just did just now to the number 2 on the flight controller. And I got the transmitter turned on, and I got my F3 flight controller here. And if I put this bad boy on there, it's gonna be a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to redo. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to plug this battery in, and hopefully you guys can see. You guys can see what I'm talking about, man. It's like I'm getting movement, but it's. Watch this. I don't know if you guys seen that. You see that move? But you see, it's not moving like these three once it completely arms, but it moves once I plug it in. I got it plugged in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and arm it with my controller here and watch this. See, them three are spinning except for that one. But that's vibration from screwing the deal off on that one. And I don't know what it is, guys. Like I say, I didn't redid it. The, the signal to the flight controller. So, may take reply to my comment because I put out a PayPal claim on, and they told me to test everything to make sure everything's working. Well, I am testing everything. Everything's working. I just switched ESCs and switched the motor on it, and it's still doing the same thing. So, it has to be the board. It cannot be my flight control because this is a good flight control. So, and it was working great on my ZMR little 160 right there, and that's what I took it off of. So, and it was flying great. So, it's not my flight controller. So, thanks for watching.